Hello guys, my name is Gabriel and I'm talking about case of study about Raphael. My class is nutrition and diet therapy. To start with, I would like to talk about Raphael a little bit. Introducing Raphael. Raphael is a male, 35 years old. Nowadays he's 20,000 pounds and 6 feet. And I tried to do a similar guy like me. He used to play college soccer level. So he used to play in a high level. So he used to follow a discipline diet, a discipline routine where he needed to practice every day to keep like exercise in his routine. So he needed to be active. Uh, he used to play when he was 22 years old. Uh, he also always played some sports, such as like he used to run, he used to play basketball in high school. He used to keep active. He loves sports. And however, he has been hard with his body, like since he was young. He always pushed himself to the extreme, like always try to give his best version, try to give like his best performance. So when you are an athlete, you need to try to be your best. You need to give your max during practice, during games. So during this long time, he used to get hurt sometimes, like muscular pains. So he has been hard on his body. Another interest point about him is that he has a disorder with candy. He loves sugar. He loves ice cream. He loves like chocolate. He loves everything that you can find sugar. And another good point about his life is that he has access to medical care. He's married and he has two kids, little kids. By the way, they love soccer as well. And the names like João and Maria, and his wife usually prepares the food. So his wife always cook it to him. However, she doesn't know about like nutrition. She doesn't know about like the benefits of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. So she doesn't know. She just cook. So she just do what she thinks that is the best. Uh, Another good point that I would like to talk about Rafael is that he started smoking. So he's kind of addicted to this. And I'm gonna keep following the next one. Uh, Rafael's current medical status that he's overweight. He's now 2,000 pounds, as I said, and the ideal body weight is around 168 pounds. So that's like our goal to help him. And our initial goal, as I said, like I know that it's hard to start trying to exercise, to start like change your routine, start changing what you eat, what you do during your day. So I believe that the best option is to start with small things, and we need to celebrate small things. You need to to understand that it is hard when we want to do something like so difficult that like we probably gonna quit. So my initial goal to Rafael is to achieve 190 pounds. Another good point, interest point, his mother has diabetes. So as a result, Rafael can increase his risk of having diabetes because of his habits, because he loves sugar, and because his mother, she has diabetes. Um, so he doesn't use any medication, and he recently diagnosed with pain in his cough. So we need to be aware about this. My role, what I want to do. I want to help him and his wife to reach me and to monitor the development and necessary improvements. Starting the process, Rafael will meet with his dietitian, and that I believe is a strong point because we need to be with someone that study, with someone that really understand the process, really understand the benefits, really understand what we are doing wrong, what we are doing right. So that's a good part. I'm gonna help him and monitor his action. Another important point that I'm gonna support is his daily meal plan. So we are going to change a little bit some stuffs that he used to do in his during his week, uh, and remember, I always try to let him feel comfortable because it's something that I'm not able to do. He needs to change. He needs to want to. He needs to like understand that it is with him. Uh, Encouragement checkups, as I said, and work with communication. Always talk. Always understand. If he thinks something is wrong, if he's not liking something, we can adapt. Current diet with his wife as he cooks to him. We are going to prepare some foods, healthy foods to him to help him to improve. Another point, his family, they used to eat burgers, like fast food, ice cream every 2 days during the week. So it's something that we need to change a little bit. But like, I'm not saying that he can't eat ice cream. He can, but he needs to adapt his routine and his diet. Uh, and some symptoms that Rafael feels sometimes, he feels some symptoms such as dry mouth and loss of energy that are a consequence of diabetes. My goal, our goals is to a long-term goal is the final weight is 170 pounds, and our short term, as I said, is 10 pounds. When he starts the process, weight loss can help Rafa to reduce pain, improve function, and provide the feeling of succession. Another important point that we need to be smart is avoiding nutrients deficiency, including nutrients in his diet. It's really important that we adapt his routine. We show him the benefits of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. He needs to understand the process. Another point that I'm going to work with him is as he is feeling without energy, I'm going to include more carbohydrates in his diet because carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, they're perfect function for the body. They help to feel better. They help you to have energy. And our short goal is to lose 2 pounds per week. It's going to be a challenge, as I said. So we need to help him, to encourage him. Energy intake and expenditure. So that's what I plan to him. Carbohydrates 10 grams a day, fat 55 grams a day, proteins 100 grams a day, and the calorie that I prepare with him is 1700 calories per day. So the fitting goal is so as I said, Rafael used to play soccer, but he doesn't want to run anymore because he's doing this all his life, And so something that I think gonna be interesting to him, and remember the pain that he's feeling, we can do like biking. He can riding a bike during the week, and as he used to be an athlete, he has like a strong body. He still has some like mass, he's not like a beginner. He can do some stuff like different than a beginner can do. So we decided to do something different. He's gonna ride a bike as a way to exercise, and he used to perform a high level. As I said, he can start a medium exercise. Typical day for Rafael. As I said, the breakfast: eggs, 3 units, orange juice, fruits, and bread is a great idea for breakfast. can provide him energy, can provide him support the benefits that he needs to start his day. This food contains vitamins, minerals, high quality proteins, and good fats that are essential for the human body. And the lunch, he can eat something different, such as like fish, rice, salad, and a dessert. As I said, um, we're not gonna stop him to eat ice cream, the foods that he loves, but we need to control. So he can choose 3 days during the week to eat something that he likes. So, for example, a candy or ice cream, and the other day Rafael should eat some fruit such as orange, banana, kiwi, watermelon. And dinner can do pasta, chicken, salad, Alfredo sausage. Pasta has benefits such as it's low in sodium and low in fat, and helps to control glycemic index. Nutrition goal include more vegetable in his diet. He's a hard guy, he doesn't like to eat vegetables. We need to include them because vegetables are essential. Vegetables are good for the body. And organize a schedule to help him to organize his routine and have the correct time to eat. Reduce fat intake, but do not exclude everything for the diet, as I said. 3 carbohydrates and the calorie for the day that I said. So that diet and lifestyle changes. Remember, every step is a reason to celebrate, as I said in the beginning. Diet change: reduce fast food during the week, avoid industrial food, reduce candy, but not stop eating. More fruits and dessert, include proteins, carbs, vitamins in the diet. Do not give up candy, and most important, stop smoking. It's something that we need to work on him. And always consume the necessary amount of water. Sometimes we forget about it. Sometimes we don't think the water is important, but we need water to survive. Water is so important for our body, so we need to be alert and we need to understand the correct amount that we need to consume, because each body is different. I need to consume a quantity of water, my friend needs to consume a different one. It depends on a lot of stuff. Lifestyle change: plan the routine, plan each meal, and organize the snacks during the day. The snacks include fruits, peanut butter, potato, eggs, and bread. Ride a bike every day during the weekend, Monday to Friday, at least 20 minutes after work. Here's my side source. As I said, nutrition is something important for our body. We need to understand, we need to respect our limits, we need to know what we are consuming. We cannot consuming something that is gonna damage our body, something that is not gonna help us, because it's our body we need to respect. It's something that we live with. We cannot like just give up, you know. I hope you guys enjoy my presentation. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you.